शौविक पूछता हूँ आपसे, शौविक आपने
Even as we speak, Riya, Shovik, her father Indrajit, as well as her manager Shruti Modi, all of them being questioned, including by the enforcement director. There was a lot of movement there. It appeared that we got a glimpse of someone who seemed to be Shovik Chakravarti, her brother, who seemed to have come out. Let me see if Vaji is there. Vaji, if you're there with us, can you confirm what who was that leaving right now?
Well, Shovik Chakrabarti has gone inside as of now. He is, as we know, he was also summoned for ED questioning, and now it remains to be seen whether they'll be coming out or not. Riya also will be coming out or not. It remains to be seen whether the questioning is over or not. But we just saw Shovik coming out from the back gate and entering the front gate, and now remains to be seen. Is he been already questioned, because he had also come here with his sister a few minutes back, 2 or 3 hours back, and now this is.
Well, there is a lot of movement which is happening. We are going back across to Vaji. Vaji, can you hear me? Exclusive visuals that you can see first on Times Now of Shovik Chakravarti after he was quizzed by the ED. It appears that he's come out. He's again gone back in. But there you have it. Let me go across to Arunil. Arunil, I believe you managed to get a chance to even question him. What did he say?
Well, that is right, Meghna. In fact, I would request my video journalist to pan towards the main gate now. Here we can expect some action to happen. The Chakravartis are expected to come out. This is the car which my video journalist is showing. This is the car of the Chakravartis. They came via this car only. And Shovik Chakravarti could be seen coming out from the rear gate. Now we can see Shovik Chakravarti coming out from the front gate. We questioned him also. We asked him, did they take the money from actor Sushant Singh Rajput? Shovik! So this was Shovik Chakravarti getting into his car. Riya Chakravarti is still inside. Shruti Modi is still inside. Shovik Chakravarti has been allowed to go by the enforcement directorate. Riya Chakravarti is in fact inside only now. More than 2.5 hours of questioning till now, as well as Shruti Modi is inside. Both have been questioned together. Now whether they will leave together in the same car, that remains to be seen. Back to you.
Well, great job, Vajiullah as well as Arunil, getting us the fastest, the first and exclusive visuals of Shovik Chakravarti coming out. Vaji, if I can come back to you. So, who all is inside right now? Riya continued to be grilled for the 3rd hour so far, it seems, and counting.
Well, with Shovik leaving the ED office right now, it clearly tells us that Shruti Modi, Riya Shah and Riya Chakravarti are inside as of now, and the questioning of these three are still going on. There is still movement at the entrance of the ED office. Let me go a little closer to see if Riya will also be coming out or not, which we don't have a clarity about. But as of now, Shovik Chakravarti has left. We posted a few questions to him, but he did not answer. He decided to stay numb, and as you saw, he was taken away from here, and he did not answer any of the questions. So the questioning is still going on. Riya Chakravarti might be still inside because she hasn't left the ED office as of now. We had Arunil and me on this this angle, and we both have been looking into the. We both have been stationed here, and we haven't seen her leave the building yet.
Well, these are very interesting visuals coming in, because now we know that the entire inner circle, and that's the significance of all these people who are currently being quizzed by the Enforcement Directorate. Riya Chakravarti, her brother, her father, her chartered accountant and her manager, all the people so very close to Riya Chakravarti, goes to show that for the ED, the person of greatest of interest is none other than Riya Chakravarti. The reason behind that, because there are 2 such companies out of 3 of Sushant's companies, one in which Riya is a director, in the other one it is Shovik who is a director, which is why, Arunil, if I can come back to you, it's so very important to know whether or not there was some kind of money laundering. That is the angle which allegedly the ED is looking into, isn't it, under the PMLA. What do they hope to find? Arunil.
Well, that is of prime importance, basically, Meghna. Shovik Chakravarti just leaving sometime ago. But Riya Chakravarti is still been interrogated. Shruti Modi along with her, as well as the CA of the family, he's also been interrogated. I'll request my video journalist to show you what is going on at the main gate of the Enforcement Directorate. Basically, the CA of the family as well as Riya Chakravarti will be the main people that the ED will be asking. How did Riya Chakravarti buy those 2 flats in the city of Mumbai? Was actor Sushant Singh Rajput's money being used to buy those 2 flats? And also with respect to the 2 companies that the Chakravartis had floated along with actor Sushant Singh Rajput, was there any money being swindled by the Chakravartis as alleged by the family? Was that being done, and where did exactly the rupees 15 crore go? Did the Chakravartis take that money into their own account? Which was those dubious accounts in which the money went? Because the family is claiming that they have no idea where the money of rupees 15 crore exactly went, to which accounts it went. So all these tough questions are expected to be asked to Riya Chakravarti. This is the first time that she's been probed, she's been interrogated as an accused, because the Mumbai police was not doing that during their interrogation, as well as the CA will be able to answer a lot of questions. Earlier also, Sushant Singh Rajput's CA was also questioned on this. Here, Shovik questioned for around 2.5 hours. He's left from the ED office. And
so
at
15
present,
crore rupees and the 2 plush properties and of course the 2 companies, all of it under the ED scanner. Was there money laundering, and is there a possible motive which may just come out of the Enforcement Directorate's probe? Of course, if you want the fastest and the quickest and the most accurate updates, it's only right here on Times Now. A quick break. Of course, Wajiullah as well as Arun Neel are tracking the very latest from the Enforcement Directorate office, where the questioning is continuing. 3 hours for Riya and counting. Stay tuned to Times Now.